Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Learn Mikrotik Configuration series. Today's topic is about site-to-site IPsec VPN between Cisco and Mikrotik. In the last video, I have shown site-to-site IPsec VPN between two Mikrotik routers. Okay, today I will show you how you can configure IPsec VPN between Cisco and Mikrotik. IPsec Internet Protocol Security is a protocol suite defined by the IETF, Internet Engineering Task Force, to secure IP communication over unprotected IP networks, such as Internet or leased line. This suite is an open standard, so it works on cross-platform security. So you can have a connection from Mikrotik to Cisco or Juniper or other IPsec router or firewall. That's why we are going to configure IPsec VPN between Mikrotik and a different vendor like Cisco. So we will configure in the Cisco part first, then we will configure to the Mikrotik router. Let me show you an illustration so you will get some idea here. This is my Cisco router in head office, and this is the branch office router, then this is the Mikrotik router. Both are connected to internet, and we will create IPsec tunnel between these two routers. So we will configure Cisco device first, and then we will configure Mikrotik. Okay. So in Cisco, we'll go to the console. So in Cisco IPsec, there are two steps we have to follow. First, we will configure ISAKMP phase 1, and then we will configure IPsec ISAKMP phase 2 ACL and crypto map. I already configured the IP address here. The IP address is, you can see from the illustration, public IP address is 10.168.162.182 and local IP address 192.168.1.1/24. IP interface brief. Okay. Public IP address on first Ethernet 0x0 and private is first Ethernet 0x1. Okay, let's go the terminal. We'll configure phase 1 ISAKMP. So we'll type crypto ISAKMP policy 1 encryption AES hash will be SHA, authentication pre-share, group 2, lifetime is 86400, which is 1 day. Now we will create IPsec tunnel password. Remote router 1 address 62162.14. Okay. Now we will configure IPsec. So in the phase 2, we will have to create extended ACL, IPsec trust form, crypto map, and then apply crypto map to the public interface. We start off with creating extended ACL. Access list, extended, give name, traffic, IP, and the remote site LAN address is 172.168.1.0.0.255. Now we will create IPsec trust form. A crypto IPsec transform set. We'll give it a name as strategy VPN. So the encryption will be the AES, and authentication is SHA HMAC. Now we'll create the crypto map. Crypto map. Give any name. IPSec set peer is remote router 1 address. We know that this is 14. Set transform set. We will call the transform set here. Our transform set name is Dhaka CTG. Just copy from here. Match address. Now we will call the extended ACL. Our crypto map has been created. Now we will go to the interface and then apply crypto map to that particular interface. So we know that our public interface is faster than 0 by 0. So we will just type our map name is pmap. Okay, configuration is done in Cisco part. So now we will go to the Mikrotik router, this router. Okay, this is CTG end. We'll configure the same parameters in Mikrotik to establish our IPSec tunnel. Already configured the IP address here, only the basic configuration. Let me check if I have the routes. Yeah, I do have the routes. Configurable. I will have to check if I can reach to other end of the router one address. 62.182. Okay, I'm getting ping response from other end of the router. For any VPN configuration, first condition is to check the reachability from site A to site B. In Mikrotik, IPSec menu looks different, but the basic is same in all devices actually. So we'll go to the IP and then IPSec. In Mikrotik, we start off with creating phase 1 profile and then phase 2 proposal. So we'll go to the profile tab, double click on it, or create a new one if you want. Just keep the default. We'll just change the parameters to match with the Cisco devices. The encryption is AES, so I have to select AES 128. Group 2, which is end.1024, and lifetime I have to select here the Cisco device as A6400, which is 1 day. Okay, apply. The hash algorithm is SHA-1. Now we'll go to the proposals, double click on it. Name is default, authentication algorithm SHA-1, encryption algorithm 128 AES 128 CBC, Lifetime is 1 day. It's fine. Apply and OK. These parameters must match between the sites, otherwise the connection will not establish. So now we will go to the peers tab. Click plus sign to add. Peers, we give a name. Address is remote and one address which is 10.168.162.182. Port is 500. Profile is default. We can create any profile. This is okay. Apply. Okay. The next is creating identities. Plus sign to add. Here is status digit pin, authentication appreciate key. I will give the password for IPSec tunnel, which we have given in our Cisco router. The parameters will be the default. Apply and OK. Last, we create policy which controls traffic encryption. Policies. Click plus sign to add. Source address is a LAN address, which is 172.168.1.0/24, which we want to encrypt. And the destination address is remote and LAN address 1.168.1.0/24. In the action tab, action is encrypt. We require IPSec protocol ESP tunnel. We have to select the tunnel mode. Now the SA source address and SA destination address. SA is actually security association. This is basically one IP address of your router that create IPSec tunnel. So our router one address is 168.162.14. The destination address is remote and router one address 182. Proposal is default. We didn't create any proposal. Apply and OK. If you complete up to this part, your tunnel must come up. Let me see. You can see phase to state established. And if we go to the installed assays, you can see established here as well. So we've got our tunnel. Now we will test if we can ping across the tunnel from site 11. Go to the console. Check my IP address 192.168.1.2. So we will ping to our site branch office this address 172.168.1.2. Yeah, we can ping. Now from the branch office LAN address, check the LAN address. Now we will ping to head office LAN address 168.2. Now you can see we can't ping to our remote and LAN address. There is a reason for that, because all the traffic from LAN being netted from the router. So we'll have to bypass the NAT. So let's go back to our router with the IP and then firewall. You see we have already configured NAT, so we have to bypass this NAT. Click plus sign. Yes. Change source net. Source address is 172.116.1. Whole LAN block, and destination address is remote and connections accept. Now drag the route to the top to bypass the net. Now check again. You can see we can ping to our remote and LAN address now. That's it. We have completed site-to-site VPN configuration between Cisco and Mikrotik. Now you can ping from your branch office LAN to your head office LAN with no problem. So do subscribe this channel for more videos on Mikrotik Router. See you in the next video. Thanks.